Hello everyone. In our lesson communication, we have studied what is telephone, what is postal communication. They are called as means of communication. Now today we are going to see means of mass communication. Mass word is added extra here. Why it is called mass communication? Let us see. When we want information to reach a large number of people at the same time, we use newspaper, magazines, radio, television. These are called means of mass communication. So at a time, we can contact with many peoples. That communication is called as means mass communication. Now, newspaper gives information about happening in the around or our country and the world. Newspaper are printed in different languages. See, when we read the newspaper, we come to know about the news, what is happening in the world also, in our country. So it is at a time we can get information of many things, whatever happen in the world. So it is called as one of the mass communication. Radio also, we can listen music and many other programs on the radio. Also there are news on the radios, other informations are given on the radios. So radio also at a time we can get more information. Television, same like it also gives news of many villages, towns and cities. No, it is popular in villages, towns, and cities. Everybody in their houses has a television. There are variety of programs. It is like an entertainment for us. It also gives information. It also shows us news. So this is also one type of mass communication. Now internet, nowadays it is very popular. Internet, through internet we can get information of many topics. The internet connects the computer all over the world to form a network. त्याचे एक नेटवर्क तयार होतो. We can send an email through internet which reaches the person instantly. आपण एखादा ईमेल पाठवू शकतो आणि तो लगेच जातो. Just in 1 or 2 seconds it reaches to that person to whom we want to send the email. Email is like a letter only. How we send the letter, we post it, but here it goes instantly. So it is the fastest one. All these modern means of communication have brought the world closer. Now communicating without speaking means people who are dumb and deaf, they can't speak and they can't hear also. How they communicate with each other? So they use a sign language. They also watch the lip movements. त्यांचे जसे होठ हलतात तसं ते वर्ड्स लक्षात येतात त्यांना. Then movements of people, lip movements, and also they will understand what their hand movements are also there. Okay. So this sign language is popular in deaf and dumb people, mukh badhir. Okay. Now by using gestures, facial expressions and holding body in a certain way, we can communicate with the other person. Now keywords are given. What is communication? Process of sending and receiving message. What is mass communication? Information reaches a large number of people at a time through communication. You read the lesson, try to understand means of communication in that: telephone, mobile phone, letters and email. Mass communication, newspaper, radio, television and internet. एका टाइमला जास्त लोकांना जेव्हा इन्फॉर्मेशन जाते, that will be mass communication. This is the difference in only means of communication and means of mass communication. So this was about the lesson. Read the lesson, and I'm sending you question answers also. Write in your notebook and complete this lesson. We have to finish our portion fast. We have very less time. Our exams are there. So you also do your best in your studies. So for today, we'll stop here. Thank you.